Hey fellas, so today's drawing is, yeah, I'm not gonna even lie, this one is kinda dangerous because this is straight up goon material and you have to goon on it. And I will too. Before you judge me, even though she's witch or an infector, whatever, I still want.
Oh hell no! That's hell.
Bro, she's amazing. Damn, Ethan bro, you were lucky. But and the craziest part is this drawing is made up of makeup. Yeah, but it's real makeup. I literally borrowed my mother's makeup for this. And I really hope she doesn't beat the shit out of me after seeing this. And let's cook. Alright, so the first, let me show you what we are working with. I have got this whole makeup palette, different skin tones, brush shades and everything. Honestly, I never thought I would use this for drawing, but here we are. As you can see, I already added a base layer of the makeup. Now for the shadows, and now it's time to add shadows. And for this I'm not using makeup, I'm switching to color pencils because I need to sharp define shadows, not soft blurry ones. Adding depth around the face and boobs unnecessary. Next up, the hairs. For this I'm using acrylic paints because her hair has that strong, slightly rough strokey texture. We are not going for the soft hair, we want those bold strokes to make her look powerful. And honestly, this one here is really start giving me that mommy energy. And damn, she is mommy, and her mother is also damn crazy, man.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree. She got
The outfit, keeping it clean but sharp, adding shadows and folds to give it a structure. Nothing too crazy, I mean, but enough to match her overall vibe. Damn, she's artistic in love. How the hell?
Gabby with a bad bitch, look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me, in the phantom off that.
And the finally background, keeping it simple so all the focus stay on her, and a bit contrast, a bit of darkness, just a black, I mean.
Me in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that. Ooh, put it on camera.
And yeah, fellas, that's the final result. From makeup to pencils to paints, this one was definitely something else. And yeah, this one gave me the vibe I was seeking. And I'm not gonna lie, this drawing, yeah, she's dangerous. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.